Good morning, beautiful. I hope you are doing good and you're having a good day so far, whatever time you're watching this video. I currently have a cup of coffee. I'm still in my Hello Kitty pajamas. The kids just left for school about, I don't know, half an hour ago, maybe. But it's early and I'm ready to just do this. I ordered some stuff from the Born Pretty store online, and it's been about a month, so it did take a while to get here, but I'm gonna show you what I got. So I'm gonna start. I think what I ended up getting was a kit. I honestly don't remember. I just know that I wanted to order the Polygel because I have never tried it, and I've seen a lot of the nail people here on YouTube have used it, tried it, you know, some of them even swear by it. So I'm excited to try it. Hopefully I do a good job. I got this. This may have been part of the kit. Soak off gel. I don't know. Okay, so we'll start with this. It's a washable wooden file. It's 180 grip. Hold on. I'm gonna say it feels, it's not wooden. It's very flimsy, but it does have the, yeah, this would be good for buffing and like nail prep. So we have that. Hold on. Let me get a scissor. What in the world is this? Oh, okay. Yes, so I ordered some stamping plates. Yes, I'm excited to try that. And then this is a nail scraper, another file. Oh wow, this is a shiner. I've never seen this grip before, so it's obviously very fine. Very fine grit. So let's see what we got. Okay. All right, so I have Born Pretty base coat, top coat, and a color. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. I've got the Born Pretty stamper. That's so pretty. Born Pretty. Okay, this has a cover. Oh my god. All right, this is the first time I've messed with these, so I'm probably going to be doing a video on nail stamping, but I definitely need to try this. And I had no idea it was this soft. It feels like kind of like slimy, like slime feels. Very, very soft. But now I get why, like in the videos that I've watched, it looks very, you know, I don't know, like bouncy. But look, see how you can, let me see if I can, see how you could see through it? And that helps you apply it. But cool. Yeah, I'm sorry if I sound like a dork when I'm opening this stuff. I've never I have spent so much time looking at videos and seeing people use this and not really paying attention to the product itself and just like how it's applied and stuff. But it's really interesting to see in person. So this is the scraper, the stamper, and then this is one of the plates. I wonder if I can, should I take this off? So this is, it says Valentine, Born Pretty Valentine's Day. It's the L007. Get off that one. There's another art plate, stamping plate, I mean. And this is Born Pretty flower yarn. That's so cute. This is really nice. This one's really nice. They're all pretty. Love that. Oh, nice. It says, thank you so much for your order. We sincerely hope that you would be satisfied with our product and service. If you have any concern about our product and service, please do not hesitate to contact us at cs@bornprettystore.com. And you get coupons, which is nice. Please send your previous order number to get coupon code. Okay. So you got their Instagram and their Facebook. This one is the Spring Garden L003. I am so excited to try these. Oh my god. Can you imagine the looks I could do with these? Eee, I'm so excited. Alright, so I got those. I got 1, 2, 3 stamping plates. The stamper, the scraper, and this is the base coat, top coat. And I need to see what color this is. I don't know, it says BP07. I'm gonna open it. I'll show you. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is that the peel off nail latex, so you put it around the edge, and then this way when you stamp you peel it right off. Yes, I forgot. I'm so sorry. It's been a while, so I have never tried this before. Again, I've seen it, but I've never tried it, so that's going to be helpful. Let's go ahead and open this. And if any of you have tried these, any of the products that I show you, just leave a comment and let me know what your thoughts are on them, because I am curious. Here's the top coat. Okay, so base coat, top coat. I got the latex, peel off nail latex. And okay, so we're gonna start with, this is one of the polygels. They're so tiny. I don't know why. I mean, not tiny. I just, when I see it, they look so big when I see them on videos. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this doesn't have a, I don't know, it just says 07, a color. I'm not sure, but we will find out. So that's that one. Oh, I got these, I watched, it's Denise John 65. She is a YouTuber. I'm sure you know who she is. She does amazing artwork and is an awesome educator too. But I watched her video on this, and she got this stamping, it's stamping gel rather than the stamping polish. And this one's in black. So you use this here. You use this instead. Look at that. And then scrape it and then stamp it. And I believe you cure it. I'm not sure. You cure it and then put the top coat. But yeah, I'm pretty sure since it's a gel. But it's so opaque. I think like it has to be easier to apply than actual than polish. I think it's easier. Well, you should check out her video because I don't know, to me it looked really nice. Convinced me to buy it, that's for sure. So I got that. That's for the stamping place. So that one's in black, and let me see what other color I got. So I got black, and this one is number 11. It's color. This one's silver. That's gonna be nice. So black, silver. I'm gonna show you what's on the back. Oh, and I paid, because the file and I'll show you, I paid, it was about $38 for everything. This one's in white gold. All right, let's check it out, because I don't know. Oh my God. You see that? Let me see. Wow. Okay. So silver, black, gold. I'll go ahead and try the silver for you since I didn't. Oh, this got everywhere. What was that about? All right, this one's white. Obviously. I'm getting that everywhere. White. And then we'll try the silver. It's so opaque. The color payoff is freaking awesome with these. I would definitely recommend this over the polish. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So I'm excited about that. So we got that. We got these for the stamping plates. Stamping plates. I'm basically setting it up so that I could do polygel nails. And the kit that I ordered came with the UV LED light. Hold on. I can't get it open. Comes with the adapter, the plug. Manual. And that's it. Awesome. These are the lights. It feels pretty sturdy too. Very lightweight and sturdy. So there it is. There it is. So I think, oh no, I got, okay, so the kit came with a brush. And it is broken. But that's understandable because I guess it came, I mean, it came from far, so, but yeah. It came with a little brush. It has the little spatula for the polygel. And then the brush. You know what I'm not seeing though? It doesn't have the slip solution. I don't think it came with it, honestly. I might have just thought, okay, I could just use 70% alcohol as a slip solution. So yeah. So the brush is broken, but that's okay. I can glue it. And yeah, that is everything. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't. I will catch you on the next video.